Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Today I want to share with you how to make a grapefruit, vetiver and ginger roll-on fragrance. This was sent to me from Samantha who lives in Utah, and she tells me that it's one of those fragrances that just keeps on growing. And with the vetiver and with the grapefruit, it's just got this most amazing woody, crisp, lovely smell. And when I was doing my research, I discovered that there was a survey that they did in, I think, Boston a number of years ago, and it was on the effects that certain fragrances have on the human body. I did not know that men prefer the smell of grapefruit. I did not know this, and I am that excited because this perfume is attract the man who is supposed to love me even more. So let's just get into it. So into here I've got this little roller bottle here. I've got 4 drops of grapefruit, 3 drops of vetiver and 2 drops of ginger. And the other thing that I have discovered, Samantha says that she uses fractionated coconut, but I have found this new product here which is called moringa oil. I did not know that it was one of the most excellent fixatives, and it's great stuff to using. The stuff that I've been experimenting with has just proven to me that this stuff is absolutely fantastic. And if you wanted to put it onto your face, you can put it straight onto your face and it's quickly absorbing like a jojoba oil is. So that's what it looks like. It's a thick, so it almost looks like fat when it's actually cooling down, but it's really lovely and thick, and I think the word I'm looking for is victuous. Is that the word? That's a good word. We're going to use that. So I've already got my oils into here. Just put a little cap on. Oh, that could have been quite a disaster. I think I shouldn't go so fast. Maybe I should calm down and relax. But that could have been, and it is, a bit of a mess on there, but don't panic. I will get it sorted out in due course. So I'm just going to put, now the other thing that I've discovered when putting oils, thick oils anyway, into one of these bottles is to just go very slowly because it can overflow and make quite a mess. So just keep pouring that into there, like so. Oh, such a mess there. Take that out of there, and I don't know. Oh, here's the roller. Here's the roller. Put the roller on, and this is where you need to brute force. So there we have it, and give it a little shake. And Sam said to leave it, Samantha said to leave it for a week to 10 days. In fact, the longer you leave it for those oils to blend, the better it's going to be. So I look forward to wearing this to see whether it is a love magnet from my husband or not. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and it's nice to be into lovely earthy tones like the vetiver. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry about the mess, and I'll see you another day.